Alright guys, so the first thing I want to try it out on is my patio furniture. I got a table here that's pretty dirty. And I got a patio chair here that's pretty dirty. So I'm going to see how clean this pressure washer can get those. Set my camera far enough back so it doesn't get wet. I already got the hose and everything hooked up. I'm just going to turn the power on and let her rip. Alright, as you can see, that's the hot, it's getting air out of the system right now. But that's the widest fan right there. And then as you turn it, there's a stream. Alright guys, so I got the table alright clean. There's a sticker on here. It's kind of, even with my nail, I'm having a hard time peeling it off. That it didn't take off, but the main dirt and stuff it took off. Not too bad. Now I'm not using any detergent, so that probably would help a little bit. But let's move on to this chair. This chair is pretty dingy. See if we can get that somewhat clean. Alright guys, so I did half the chair. Seemed like I did a decent job. See, the right side is still got the dirt on it. Left side I hit it with the pressure washer. Let's do another test. I got over here on the side of my house, I got some like green moss, algae type stuff growing up here. So I'm gonna see if I can clean that up a little bit. I got it up here on my windowsill. See if that takes it off. Alright guys, not bad. I already could see that. Zoom out here. Cleaned off the algae, moss, whatever you want to call it, on the side of the house. So that's not too bad. So I'm sure it'll clean this up here. So I'm happy with it. Alright guys, this is the last test I'm going to do. This is a dried up oil spot on my driveway. I don't think this pressure washer is going to be that strong enough to clean this up, but I figure I'd give it a shot, see if it does anything to it. Once again, I'm not using any detergent, so let's see how well it does. Alright guys, I guess I was wrong. It penetrated it. Now that's not too old of a spot. I think that was just over the winter time. So let me move on to another spot that's been on my driveway for a couple years. I think I got one over here. There's one right there, if you guys can see that. It's smaller. Let's see if it does anything. Not bad. Looks like I might be cleaning my driveway with this. So that's a plus. I didn't think that would work on the driveway, but apparently it's worked on my oil spots. So I'm extremely happy with that. Alright guys, I just used it for about 2 hours. Cleaned my siding, brick, a little bit of my driveway, all my patio, furniture, and I'm happy with it. Did everything I needed to do. Even cleaned the oil spots in the driveway, which I was a little surprised about. But hey, so this is it, all wrapped up, ready for storage. As you can see, the wire just wraps around there and there. Disconnect the hose, wrap it around the handle that extends, and then put the nozzle and the pistol in the holder. One other thing I want to mention, they do give you this piece of wire here. It's to clean the nozzle out, just in case any dirt gets in there, and that this handle is adjustable for storage purposes, so it goes all the way down and then it pops all the way up for portability. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. I picked this up for 120 bucks at my local Menards. I think they got a 2000 psi that they make, and that one's a little different. They sell that one for 200, I think. So if you guys are in the market for a pressure washer, just for some light duty stuff around the house, take a look at this Snap-on. I'm pretty happy with it. Don't forget to subscribe. I know I haven't been putting that many videos out, but I'm gonna try to get back on it. Thumbs up, subscribe, leave some comments below. Talk to you guys later.
Bye.